Hey mates, what's up? This is a small demonstration how the shop look like. You can choose a product, top up your funds, then you have access to the manager area and you can fulfill the order. You can add managers, you can do refund, you can add product, you can follow the transaction. That's it basically. I will start the tutorial how to set this environment. This is part 1. We will customize this bot for better option that we can automate most of the stuff. It's an ongoing project. I do the research and development on the fly. It's not a finished product. And that's it. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any question, write in the comments. Try to answer as soon as possible. Let's start the tutorial. I open my virtual machine. I will use Mint machine, but you can use Ubuntu or any other Linux distribution. And for this project, we will use the Stefano Gri GitHub repository. Basically, it's a shop that this nice guy Stefano built for school project. Very impressive and useful. He was kind enough to share the project in GitHub as an open source for all of us to enjoy it. Let's navigate to file, documentation, and we will see what the requirements for this environment. We will use the pip installation, but you can use Docker as well. Just follow the step. Let's update our system. Write sudo apt update. You can see we need Python to be installed. As you can see, we already have Python 3 on this system. If not, you can install Python 3.8 and above, and pip as well. There is a video on my channel that explain how to do it, but basically most of the systems come already be Python 3.8 and above. Let's make sure we have the git package installed by running the command sudo apt install git. Let it install it. The next step is to get bot token from Telegram that our software will be able to talk with the Telegram API. Just open Telegram search bar and make sure you type bot fodder, and make sure you are using the official bot fodder with the sign of the bot. It has to be the official, because there are many clones of this bot of scanners that try to get your information. So make sure you get to the official bot fodder. Then type backslash and the word start. Choose new bot, and we need to give it a name. It has to finish with the word bot. And as you can see, we got our token. Don't share this token with no one, because if someone have this token, he have access to your bot. Save this token in a file in a safe place. You can always go back to the bot fodder and choose my bots and see the token, but keep it in a safe place. So as you can see, I save the token information into a file for our configuration. Now let's clone and download the project from GitHub. Just write the command git clone and the URL of the project, and it will download the necessary files. CD for change directory, and grid, and we on the working folder. We need to create a virtual environment. Just type the command python 3 -m virtual n, and just copy and paste it to create the virtual environment. Yeah, we need permissions, so sudo and python 3 -m venv. Okay, missing package, so install it, apt install and the virtual environment. Just copy and paste the command. Then sudo python 3 -m venvm to create the virtual environment. Let's activate the environment. Just type source vn being active, and it will become active. And now we need to download all the requirement package. You can take a look at the requirement file in text file in case you want to see what's going to be installed. Just run a command pip install -r requirements.txt. Okay, not all the packages has been installed. We'll check it in a moment what's the issue. Okay, I think I know what's the issue. Just deactivate the virtual environment, and let's install pip3. That probably will solve the issue. Okay, now activate back the environment. Let's try to install the requirement again. Okay, no permission. I forgot to write super user, so sudo and the same command pip install requirement. And it seems the required packet has been installed. Good job. Yashimesh. Let's clear the screen and continue. You can you can install the colored logged. It's an optional package if you want colored logged. Okay, now we need to create the code. Just copy and paste the command python -00 core. Okay, of course it doesn't work. Let's check what's the issue. Maybe permissions. Missing package. Okay, not working. One moment, I check what's the issue. Oh yeah, it's probably the Python version. Let's do Python 3 with sudo, of course. Python 3.8, and then run the command. Maybe with sudo. Oh, okay, yeah, it's create the core. Now we're going to have the config file has been created and ready to be edited. Okay, so now we need to go over the configuration file of the project in order that it will be customized to what we want. So nano and the path of the configuration file. First, let's choose our language. I'm going to choose only English. I will remove all the other languages, and the default language I keep it English as well. Fallback language, keep it English. You can customize as you want because there are files on the project that you can customize the language you want, choose which language to be default, and if you want another support in another language, you can do it. It's very easy to configure. Let's paste the token we got from Telegram further bot in order we'll be able to communicate with the Telegram API. And for the currency, I'm going to choose USD for US dollar. There is a JSON file, there is a link. Just copy and paste it to the browser and you can see how each currency is represented and the symbols of the currency. Just copy and paste it from the JSON file. And the option to pay in cash, I keep it as true, but you can cancel it. You can say false. And regarding the payment with credit card, I didn't create a token. I don't want to use third-party banks or big tech companies. I want to stay off system. I want to be totally independent, use only cryptos. So just keep the credit card token empty. But if you want, you can configure on Botfather payment with credit card. You will get a token and then you can use the big one, PayPal, Stripe, or whatever now is in the market. Okay, let's save. Oh, bloody hell, I forgot to get permissions. Okay, I'll do it fast with sudo. I will edit the file again. I'll do it fast, I don't want to waste your time. Now after we save the configuration file change we perform, let's start our bot by running the command, the core.py Python file. So just copy and paste the command. Oh yeah, you need to run sudo space python 3.8 and then run the file and it should work. As you can see, the bot is running and we're also getting logs for every action that happened. Let's check it on the Telegram app that we can communicate with the bot. So click on the bot address, we got the URL from Telegram, and click start, or if it doesn't run, just write \start enter and it should run. At this part you should have a response from the bot and you will get to the manager area of the shop. If you don't have access to the bot, now is the time to troubleshooting. Go back and everything is done and it should work. Check network connectivity and all the rest of the stuff. The token, all the configuration we done. Make sure the bot is running on your Linux machine and etc. If something doesn't work, leave a comment to the video and I will do my best to answer as soon as possible. Mates, at this point I think we will stop. We will create another video that go over all the menus and how to customize it and what are the options that the bot offer. We will develop this bot until it will be a final product that actually use in the real world to sell goods with crypto. So stay tuned. I will try to upload more videos as soon as possible. Now I'm traveling Southeast Asia, barely have internet connectivity. I'm at a small fishing village far from all the civilization. I'm not sure I'll be able to upload in fast pace, but I'll do my best. So keep in touch, write in the comments if you have any questions, and I wish you a nice day. Cheers.